I try to tell people that, and no one believes me. They take it serious. And you know what? That shit is cracking my backyard. Like, it's not, I never heard the loudest ones like that. Sometimes I hear my dad there like, and my whole fucking house shakes, dude.
Holy shit.
My house will shake.
What's crazy is that it wasn't even raining when it started.
I know, that's how it was yesterday.
This just freaks me out. Hello. Doggy. Your neighbor's outside.
Yeah.
It's a he. Oh yeah, he's getting his car. Jesus Christ, how many cars does he have? Oh shit! Did I get it? That one was pretty crazy. I don't know. I was looking at your neighbor.
What's happening right now today?
Oh my God! It hit the phone pole. Jesus Christ!
Oh
Did you guys see those fucking sparks?
Oh my God!
The what?
There, Carl's running in.
Jesus Christ!
Oh.
That one right there.
Oh my
God!
That fucking just scared the flip out of me, dude.
Holy shit! What are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do in these situations?
I don't know, but I'm sitting in the fucking car.
Jesus Christ!
Oh my God!
Holy shit! I got it on camera. Oh my God! You never hear this stuff in Chicago? I thought your house.
This is what happens right before your house gets struck.
His lights are on. He freaking ran inside. Holy shit.